Top 5 fastest motorcycles in the world. This fast motorcycle was an innovation of Ducati from Italy. It tests using a twin-cylinder engine, with 4 valves for each cylinder with desmodromic and liquid-cooled. The top speed that can be reached by this motorcycle is 169 mph, 271 km/h, while the power of this Ducati can reach 119.3 kW, 160.0 bhp. At 9,750 rpm, this Ducati 1098 is using 6-speed chain transmissions. The school motorcycle is manufactured by BMW. It tests using 16 valves, with 4-cylinder. The engine is the OHC, horizontal inline and liquid-cooled. The top speed that can be reached by this motorcycle is 174 mph, 278 km/h. You can expect this motorcycle to produce 164.94 horsepower, 120.4 kW, at 10,250 rpm. The transmission used by this fast motorcycle is 6-speed manual transmission. This motorcycle is produced by renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, Yamaha. The engine used for this motorcycle is forward inclined parallel 4-cylinder, 20 valves, DOHC, liquid-cooled. This motorcycle can produce 128.2 horsepower, 95.6 kW. At 10,000 rpm. It tests using constant mesh 6-speed transmission system. This superbike is running using Rolls-Royce 250-C20 turboshaft engine. The top speed can be reached by this motorcycle is 227 mph, 365 km/h, while it can produce 320 horsepower, 239 kW, at 52,000 rpm. The transmission system used by this motorcycle is different than other motorcycle by simply using 2-speed automatic transmission. This Dodge Tomahawk is very limited motorcycle that use 10-cylinder, 90 degrees V-type engine. It can reach 350 mph, 560 km/h when it tests on top speed. This motorcycle can produce 500 horsepower, 370 kW, at 5600 rpm. This motorcycle is using a simple transmission system, by using just 2-speed manual transmission.